In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove home screen on iPhone screen, this home screen button, or you can call it assistive touch on your iPhone home screen. I'm going to show you how you can remove it. So if I don't know this video, if you found this very helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, just like this. Then once opens, scroll down and click on accessibility. And once you selected that, next thing you want to do here on the accessibility page is just scroll down and click on touch. Now under touch, locate assistive touch and then disable assistive touch. Once this is disabled, the home screen button on your iPhone screen will be disabled. And then there you go. Now you can go back to your home screen and you discover that the home screen button is no longer visible. So this is how you can easily remove or get rid of the home screen button on iPhone, either running on iOS 17 or iOS 18 or later. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.